Welcome back to Aesthetic Bites Qritee. Today's recipe, Tiger Prawns Fry. Tiger prawns. Now we will see the cleaning process. The main process is removing the black part of a prawn. In a jar, take onion shallot, coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 1/4 spoon of black pepper, spoon of ginger garlic powder, 1/4 of cumin seed, salt to taste, turmeric powder. Now squeeze half lemon juice. Grind the paste with minimum of water. Apply masala to prawns. For coating, take few breadcrumbs. Add 1 tablespoon of cornflour. Give it a mix. Coat well in the breadcrumbs. Heat oil in pan. Now we will shallow fry our prawn. Slowly flip the sides. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe for more such recipes. Don't overcook the prawns. Now your tiger prawns fry is ready to serve. Thank you for watching.